In this video, we'll see how to make very simple and tasty oregano spice mix or oregano spice mix, and the garlic powder which I have used in this video is also homemade, and there is a separate video on that on my channel. You can use the spice mix in your pasta, pizzas and many such delicacies. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoon chili flakes. At low flame you need to dry roast this for 5 to 7 or maximum 10 seconds. We just want to bring out flavor out of it and make it a little dry. The chili flakes are homemade. You can find its recipe on my channel. Very easy to make. Next is 3 teaspoon oregano. I'm dry roasting it for 7 to 10 seconds at low flame just to bring out the flavor and not burn it. So make sure you do not burn any herb or any spice. One teaspoon dried basil. So you would find all these in normal grocery shop these days. These are available very easily. And just in case you do not want to make this, you can use ready-made spice mixes available. But if you want to make your own, then you can follow this recipe. Then add crushed black pepper and garlic powder. This garlic powder is very easy to make and you can check out its recipe on my channel. We normally have a lot of garlic at our home and it's very easy to make. Then why not make this powder at home instead of buying it from store? So dry roasting again it for 7 to 10 seconds. If you want, you can reduce the amount of garlic powder. I like garlic a lot and that is the reason I have used this much. In goes salt. Give everything a good mix. Next step is to grind it in a mortar and pestle slightly. We don't want a fine powder of everything, so make sure you don't overdo it. Our oregano spice mix is ready. You can use this in your pasta, pizza, fried snack, anything which you want to use it on. If you store this in an airtight container in your refrigerator, then this would stay good up to 6 months. But yeah, do not use oregano and basil which are already 6 months or very old. So considering everything is freshly made, this would easily last you 6 months in your refrigerator if stored properly. You should keep it away from moisture. That's very important. So I'm pasting a label on the glass jar. If you want, you can also do that. Well, you can also make this and gift someone. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and enjoy.